So you have beautiful high quality designs and you've uploaded them to all print on demand platforms. So why aren't they selling? I have a solution for you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be sharing my experience marketing my designs using social media. But before we get into that, I want to quickly show you how I upload my designs. Then I will show you how to market them. So I use Vexels for all my print on demand designs, and I'm going to go for Halloween because Halloween is fast approaching and many people are looking for Halloween designs. So I'm going to go with this one. It says Happy Halloween, Bloody Pumpkin Halloween t-shirt. So and it was made on the 5th. It's recent, so it's good to go. I'm just quickly going to download it and upload it to Flying or Load, my favorite tool to upload my designs to all print on demand platforms. So I'm just quickly going to fill in the title and other information that will be used to upload it. Now that I'm done filling in the title, description, and tags, next thing I'm going to do is to upload. I'm going to go back, upload, and we're going to go Redbubble for this example. So I forgot to click I agree. Okay, I agree. Redbubble. So right now it's just uploading the design to Redbubble, filling in all the description, the tags, and everything. Alright, it's just showing my upload report. If you haven't watched my other videos where I give you step by step explaining everything about Vexels or Flying Upload, a card is going to pop on your screen. You click it and you update yourself with the other videos. So I'm now logged into my account. I will just go to the design that I uploaded and show you how I promote it. So here's the design I just uploaded. What I'm going to do is to click on this settings button and click promote products. For this purpose, I'm going to go with the classic t-shirt right here because it features a woman and a man. So I'm going to go with Pinterest first. I have over 10,000 followers on Pinterest, so I get quite a lot of traffic from there. So now that I'm done with Pinterest, the next I'm going to promote is Twitter. I don't use this link share on Twitter because most people are visual buyers. They see the design or they see the shirt, then they want to buy it. But in this case, Twitter just gives you a link to the shirt. It doesn't show you the shirt. So the strategy that I use is to download the image like this. So once the image has been downloaded, these are 7 images, it's gonna ask me which one to download. I like this one because it is focused on the design. It has downloaded. So I'm gonna go back to my Twitter page. So the image has been uploaded and I'm going to copy the description or the link from here. Once I click share on Twitter, it's gonna bring in this description. I don't like using this method to promote my Twitter, to promote my design on Twitter because it gives you just a link. It does not show you an image of a person wearing the shirt. So most people are visual buyers. They like to see the design, they like it, then they buy. But I don't really like using Twitter. I don't like tweeting it using Redbubble because it just gives you a link but doesn't show you the design. So when I copy the design from here, I'm going to go back to my Twitter page and I've already uploaded the design, so I'm gonna paste it right here. So that's how I do it. So anybody that likes the design, see this link here, they're gonna click it and buy it. When I'm done, I click tweet, and this is how it appears. So once you click this link, it takes you directly to my Redbubble page, and if you like it, you can add to cart and buy. So that's how I do it. So that was the first method to promote. I used Pinterest, I used Twitter. I don't use Facebook or Tumblr for promoting because Facebook doesn't like links. When you post links over and over again, they're going to get your account shut down. As for Tumblr, Tumblr has some glitches sometimes posting from Redbubble. The next way that I use to promote on Twitter is by searching for the term. As you can see, I already searched for Halloween. So I'll search for it again, Halloween, and the most recent threads, as you can see, this one was posted 2 hours ago. It says, if I see a jack-o'-lantern with a mask on this Halloween, I'm shooting the house up. This is kind of funny, and you can see the tweets. I like going for the tweets that have been shared most, and fairly recent, is just 2 hours ago. So more people are going to see it as the day goes by, and many people liked it because it's funny. So I'm going to go to the comments. 45 people commented and put in my description from Redbubble. But instead of saying get my hand printed and also products upon me at that, I'm going to write something related with what Zach Fox said. So I will just say that was funny because it was actually funny, and add maybe an LOL. Then I say, let's celebrate Halloween. Let's celebrate Halloween. And that's it. So I'm just going to copy this because I have to post it on multiple tweets. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'll just scroll down and click reply, and it has posted. So I'm going to scroll down and see other tweets that are funny or that are recent, and it's talking about Halloween, and I'm going to post my design there. I usually do that. See, this one says it was about an hour ago. The engagement was not that much, so I'm going to skip it. This, not much engagement. 3 minutes ago. This one was 4 hours ago. Yeah, there's much engagement. It says, okay guys, it's Halloween season and you're walking down the cereal aisle. Which one are you grabbing? So they say a lot of engagement here. So I'm gonna write something related to the design. I say I will go with the first. I will go with the first cereal box. I will go with the first cereal box, then I click paste. Instead of saying that was funny for this one, I'm going to cancel that and write, I will go with the first cereal box, then with the design. So if they see the design and they like it, they're going to buy it. So I'm going to click reply, and it's gone. So guys, that's basically how I do it for a design that I believe or I think is going to sell and that is trending, because Halloween is coming up soon and many people are looking for Halloween related designs, funny ones. So posting your designs on those tweets will give you a higher chance of your designs getting bought than if you just posted it on all the print on demand platforms and hope for the best. So this one will actually increase your chances of your designs being seen and bought. So another way that I use to have many sales, let's go back to my main page, is right here. This is responsible for me making hundreds and thousands of dollars per month, because these things are trending and many people are talking about it. So there's a very high possibility that someone will want to buy your design related to what is trending. So in this, take for example, so Chris Evans is trending. So I'm just going to find out why Chris Evans is trending. And the reason why I like using Twitter is because you can see what is trending. Facebook, you can't see what is trending. Pinterest, you can't see what is trending. Tumblr, you can't see what is trending. Instagram is the same thing. So that's why most of my marketing is done with Twitter. So Chris Evans is trending. So I'm just going to find out why Chris Evans is trending. He accidentally leaked his own news on his own Instagram, and he's begging people not to share it. So this is not something that I will go after, because it's not a design that I can make. No one is going to buy a t-shirt about a leaked nude. Yeah, no one is going to buy that. So what I was trying to say is that I go to this trending, I find out what is trending, and I make t-shirts related to it. For example, the last time I made a couple $100 very quick was with the prayer march. I don't know if you guys heard about that. It's a march that was held by a couple of people who want the United States of this, who wanted to pray for the things that were happening in the United States of America, such as the police violence, white police violence against blacks, the Constitution, COVID-19, everything related to the US. So that was what that prayer march was all about. So I went ahead, I saw that it was trending, and I quickly made a design. The t-shirt set was prayer march, literally prayer march, and that t-shirt sold me a couple hundreds of dollars, and it's even selling till date. A few dollars here and there, but all the print on demand platforms combined is making me reasonable amount of money. So guys, that's how it's done. It's pretty easy. Twitter is my go-to platform for promoting my products. Talking about designing a t-shirt, my next video I'm going to show you how to quickly design a t-shirt using the Vexels t-shirt maker. So stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you can be the first to be notified whenever I release a video like this. So stay tuned.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.